DIY plumbing at 247plumbers.net, telephone, 877-596-0117. Call to speak with a plumber. Title: How to fix a leaky faucet. Introduction. Hi there. A leaky faucet can be more than just a nuisance, it can also waste a lot of water and add to your water bill. In this video, we'll show you how to fix a leaky faucet so you can save water and money. Step 1. Gather tools and materials. Before you get started, you'll need to gather some tools and materials. You'll need a basin wrench, pliers, a screwdriver, and a replacement washer and o-ring. You may also need a cartridge puller, depending on the type of faucet you have. Step 2. Turn off the water supply. The first thing you'll need to do is turn off the water supply to the faucet. You can do this by turning the shut-off valves under the sink or by shutting off the main water supply to your home. Step 3. Remove the handle. Next, you'll need to remove the handle of the faucet. To do this, you'll need to use a screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the handle in place. Once the screw is removed, you should be able to lift the handle off. Step 4. Identify the problem. Now it's time to identify the problem. Take a look at the parts of the faucet and see if you can spot the cause of the leak. If you see a worn-out washer or o-ring, you'll need to replace it. If you see a cartridge, it may be the cause of the leak. Step 5. Replace the washer or o-ring. If you need to replace the washer or o-ring, you'll need to use a basin wrench to loosen the packing nut. Once the packing nut is loose, you should be able to lift out the stem and access the washer or o-ring. Replace the old washer or o-ring with a new one and reassemble the faucet. Step 6. Replace the cartridge. If you have a cartridge faucet, you'll need to use a cartridge puller to remove the cartridge. Once the cartridge is removed, you can replace it with a new one and reassemble the faucet. Step 7. Test the faucet. Once you've fixed the leaky faucet, you'll want to test it to make sure it's working properly. Turn the water supply back on and run the faucet for a few minutes to see if there are any more leaks. If everything is working properly, you're all set. Conclusion. We hope these tips have helped you fix your leaky faucet. Remember to turn off the water supply before you start any repair work, and be sure to use caution when working with plumbing. Thanks for watching.